Hello friends, welcome to FinTalks. Here I am with another multi-bagger stock, another video for you. This time it's the Royal Orchid Hotels. Let's see what makes this one attractive. So here is the presentation by the company for Royal Orchid Hotels for this first quarter results. Here the company has briefly summarized what they have in their bouquet. So it has more than 107 hotels and resort across 70 plus locations in 16 Indian states. Plus they have international locations as well. The total rooms are close to 6,400. They comprise of 5-star hotel, 4-star hotel, service apartments, resorts, and even budget hotels under the brand Regenta Place and Regenta. So their first hotel started in 2001 and now they have 107 plus hotels right now. So here they are categorizing as per the type of hotels they have, the locations they have. So they are covering 55 plus business destinations, 20 plus wedding destinations, 4 wildlife destinations, and 45 plus leisure destinations across India. So this chart is showing the growth in their room categories. So if you see, the owned or the JV rooms are constant at 591. So they are focusing on the asset light model, which has its own benefits, which I will show it to you later. They are consistently growing the managed or the franchise based hotels. Here they are showing the upcoming hotels, which have some fantastic locations. So this will add to close to 1900 rooms across 24 hotels. So some good locations are Tirupati, Pushkar, Jaipur, Varanasi. It's like Bhavnagar, Mumbai as well. The Statue of Unity, Dwarka, and 2 hotels in Nepal as well. The room occupancy in joint ventured, leased and owned hotels is roughly about 70%, whereas the another franchise and managed hotels it is about 60%. The management guided that this during this first quarter, the quarter on quarter there is a slowdown considering the excessive heat and the election season which spoiled their parties. So segment wise, you can see that they owned hotels are primarily the 5-star hotels or some 4-star hotels, and the latest one where they are accruing more number of rooms are the 3-star budget hotels or the heritage or service apartments. So guys, mind that these 5-star properties are also owned by the hotel, which I will consider later. So for their metro cities hotels, the occupancy is pretty good across Bangalore, Mumbai, Goa, Jaipur, Kolkata, and even Chennai. It has been better. So for these segment, the hotel industry, Q4 is the best quarter for them because of the seasonality, the tourism and travel in India, marriage season and all. So on a consolidated basis, they have made a EPS of more than 3 rupees in the first quarter. We will check out the financials later in detail. So here you can see more than 63% is owned by the promoter himself. So guys, as I said, the company is expanding its asset light model, which has its own benefits like no upfront requirement of capex. Maintenance capex is required very less, and they are claiming that the break even is just in 1 year. The operating profit they can get it in just 1 year. This increases the brand visibility also. So here are the consolidated financials of the company. So last full year revenue was close to 293 crores. This year in Q1 they have made 73 crores. So if you check out the last full year's EPS, it is around 17 and half. So if you look at the share price right now, it is close to 350 rupees, which gets down to the PE ratio of close to 20, which is fairly fair. You can say it is not very high. The market cap is less than 1000 crores. Now this is very important thing. The market cap is less than 1000 crores. If you look at the peer comparison of Indian hotels, which is very big obviously in size, has 88,000 crore market cap. EIH, that is Oberoi Hotels, more than 23,000 market cap. Chalet Hotel 16,000. Even Lemon Tree has a market cap of 10,000 crores. So guys, do have a So guys, do have a check on this one. You can do your own due diligence. I am not a SEBI registered guy, so you can check it out. The sub 1000 crore with a good brand name, more than 100 hotels and all. Thank you.